In the Scaled Agile Framework, or SAFe, the Agile Release Train, often called the ART, is a team of Agile teams, usually about 5 to 12, that plan, commit, and execute together to deliver value in a synchronized, cadence-based approach. To keep this train on track, several crucial roles are defined to support planning, alignment, execution, and delivery. Among these roles, 4 stand out as key contributors to the ART's success: the release train engineer, system architect or engineer, system team, and business owners. Each plays a specific and indispensable role in making sure the ART operates effectively and stays aligned with both technical and business goals. The Release Train Engineer, or RTE, is the chief facilitator of the ART. As a servant leader, the RTE focuses on helping Agile teams, Scrum Masters, and product management collaborate effectively. They do this by organizing key RT events, such as program increment planning, RT syncs, system demos, and the Inspect and Adapt workshop. The RTE ensures transparency of RT progress, identifies and removes impediments, escalates risks when necessary, and helps foster a culture of continuous improvement. Their goal isn't to direct work, but to create the conditions where Agile teams can thrive independently while staying in alignment. One of the RTE's major responsibilities is managing PI planning, which is a 2-day event held every 8 to 12 weeks, where all teams plan their upcoming increment of work. The RTE works weeks in advance to prepare logistics, ensure stakeholder participation, and gather inputs such as vision and backlogs. During the event, the RTE facilitates breakout sessions, team presentations, dependency management, and confidence voting. After the event, they help communicate the overall program board and track delivery against the PI objectives. The RTE also makes sure teams stay focused on the shared vision, while being flexible enough to adapt to change. So, the system architect or engineer, well, they're responsible for defining and maintaining the technical vision of the Agile Release Train. They make sure that all Agile teams stick to a coherent architectural direction and that the systems we build are scalable, secure, and really just aligned with the bigger enterprise standards. The architect is the one who defines those key elements, like technical enablers, non-functional requirements, and architectural runway. All of those are just essential for building future capabilities, without needing a lot of redesign later on. And the architect works super closely with product management, release train engineers, and teams to balance business priorities with long-term technical sustainability. A major function of the system architect is to work with teams during program increment planning, providing technical guidance and supporting decision-making around interfaces, data flows, APIs, and system-level design. They often help break down those high-level business epics into architectural enablers, and they contribute to the definition of done for system-level quality. Plus, they help spot technical risks early and make sure teams are investing in the right technical capabilities. The system architect, in a way, acts as a bridge between enterprise architecture and the day-to-day implementation work done by Agile teams. The system team, well, they provide the Agile Release Train with critical support for building and testing end-to-end system functionality. Usually, they're made up of specialists in DevOps, QA, automation, and system integration. Their main job is to support continuous integration and continuous delivery practices across all the teams. This means setting up and maintaining build pipelines, test environments, and deployment automation tools. They also help make sure that the combined output of all Agile teams actually works as a complete and cohesive system. The system team often jumps in to help Agile teams with things like test automation, performance testing, and compliance-related testing. Sometimes they even support hardware and software integration, especially for systems that include embedded components. Because teams often build only partial functionality, the system team is essential for assembling these parts into a working whole that can be tested and demoed at the system level. They play a major role in preparing and conducting system demos that showcase real progress and validate integrated features. Business owners are key stakeholders and decision-makers who represent the interests of the business. They typically include executives, product leaders, portfolio managers, or even external customers who are deeply invested in the RT's success. Their primary responsibility is to ensure that the RT is delivering business value and that its outputs are aligned with strategic objectives. They participate actively in PI planning, where they communicate business context, prioritize features, and help define business value for each team's PI objectives. During PI planning, business owners also play a critical role in evaluating the alignment between what teams plan to deliver and what the business needs. They collaborate with teams to clarify priorities, resolve conflicts, and accept trade-offs based on value delivery. After the PI begins, business owners continue to engage through system demos, feedback loops, and involvement in the inspect and adapt process. Their input helps teams adjust priorities and strategies as needed to stay on course. The presence and involvement of business owners give the IRT direction and legitimacy. Because they hold the authority to make decisions on scope, funding, and customer commitments, their continuous engagement ensures that the RT delivers outcomes that are relevant and valuable. Their partnership with the RTE and product management is essential for making decisions that balance time, cost, scope, and quality. Together, these four roles form a tightly coordinated leadership layer within the RT. While the RTE ensures the train runs smoothly and stays on time, the system architect makes sure it runs on a stable and scalable track. The system team ensures all the train cars, teams, connect and function together, and business owners make sure the destination is worth reaching. Their collaboration enables the ART to continuously deliver value, improve quality, and stay responsive to business and customer needs. By clearly defining and supporting these roles, SAFE ensures that ARTs are not only efficient at delivering work, but also aligned with enterprise strategy, built on sound technology, and focused on customer value. This structure enables organizations to scale agile practices across large, complex environments while staying true to lean agile principles.